everyone. Today I'm diving into the 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene, but with a twist. It's the Office edition. Let's see how you can navigate the corporate jungle with these powerful principles. Law 1, never outshine the master. In an office setting, make sure to recognize your boss's achievements and insights. Do not ever make him feel the need to be envious of you. It keeps you in their good graces and avoids unnecessary tension. Law 2, never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Sometimes a friendly rivalry can push you to perform better. Never hire a friend in the office. A friend who knows all your secrets makes a bad enemy in the workplace because all your secrets can be used against you. They can also use your friendship as a false sense of entitlement to get away with bad behavior. Enemies who are given the opportunity to excel in the office setting will be more loyal. Law 3, conceal your intentions. Don't reveal your ultimate career goals too soon. Keep your cards close to your chest. Law 4, always say less than necessary. Being concise in meetings makes you appear more confident and thoughtful. Law 5, so much depends on reputation. Guard it with your life. Always deliver on promises to build a solid professional reputation. Law 6, court attention at all costs. Present your ideas boldly in meetings to ensure you're noticed. Law 7, get others to do the work for you, but always take the credit. Delegate effectively, but ensure your contribution is recognized. Everyone remembers the project leader, but not the team members who did the base work. Law 8, make other people come to you. Use bait if necessary. Position yourself as the go-to expert in your field. Be approachable and helpful. Law 9, win through your actions, never through argument. Prove your points through results, not debates. Law 10, infection, avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Surround yourself with positive, successful colleagues. Hanging around with negative people, unsuccessful people will pull you down and hold you back from your own potential. Law 11, learn to keep people dependent on you. Be indispensable by mastering unique skills. Never share your strategy and tactics. Law 12, use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. Share credit and praise to build alliances. Take people out for coffee, lunch to build to rapport. Law 13, when asking for help, appeal to people's self-interest. Frame requests in a way that benefits the other person. Law 14, pose as a friend, work as a spy. Network widely to gather useful information. Learn to ask questions that will allow people to open up to you. Law 15, crush your enemy totally. Outperform competition decisively to remove threats. Law 16, use absence to increase respect and honor. Occasionally step back to make your input more valuable. Law 17, keep others in suspended terror. Cultivate an air of unpredictability. Be versatile in your approaches to keep others on their toes. Law 18, do not build fortresses to protect yourself. Isolation is dangerous. Stay connected and visible in your office. Law 19, know who you're dealing with. Don't offend the wrong person. Understand the office hierarchy and dynamics. Law 20, do not commit to anyone. Stay flexible and open to opportunities. Don't take sides in the office. The only side you should be on is your own. Law 21, play a sucker to catch a sucker. Seem dumber than your mark. Sometimes underplaying your hand can work to your advantage. Law 22, use the surrender tactic, transform weakness into power. Admit mistakes quickly and use them as learning points. Law 23, concentrate your forces. Focus on your strengths and key projects. Law 24, play the perfect courtier. Master the art of subtle flattery and diplomacy. Law 25, recreate yourself. Continuously learn and adapt to stay relevant. Educate yourself with books that develop your growth. Law 26, keep your hands clean. Avoid office politics and backstabbing. Law 27, play on people's need to believe to create a cult-like following. Inspire your team with a clear and compelling vision. Give them a purpose, something to believe in. Law 28, enter action with boldness. Show initiative and confidence in your projects. Law 29, plan all the way to the end. Always have a clear strategy and backup plans. Law 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless, hide the hard work and present the polished results. Law 31. Control the options. Get others to play with the cards you deal. Frame choices to guide discussions in your favor. Law 32. Play to people's fantasies. Understand and leverage the aspirations of your colleagues, and use this to your advantage. Law 33. Discover each man's thumbscrew. Know what motivates and worries your co-workers. Law 34. Be royal in your own fashion. Act like a king to be treated like one. Carry yourself with confidence and authority. Dress up sophisticated but not too showy. Law 35. Master the art of timing. Know when to act and when to wait. Law 36. Disdain things you cannot have. Ignoring them is the best revenge. Don't waste energy on things outside your control. Law 37. Create compelling spectacles. Make presentations and events memorable. Law 38. Think as you like but behave like others. Fit in while maintaining your uniqueness. Law 39. Stir up waters to catch fish. Use chaos to your advantage in negotiations. Law 40. Despise the free lunch. Value your time and expertise. Free lunches can result in being beholden to a person. Avoid this and pay instead. Law 41. Avoid stepping into a great man's shoes. Carve your own path and legacy. You will work doubly hard to get out of the original leader's shadow. Law 42. Strike the shepherd and the sheep will scatter. Address root causes of issues directly. Law 43. Work on the hearts and minds of others. Build genuine relationships. Law 44. Disarm and infuriate with the mirror effect. Reflect behaviors to manage difficult colleagues. Law 45. Preach the need for change but never reform too much at once. Implement changes gradually. Law 46. Never appeal too much. Show your human side to be related. Law 47. Do not go past the mark you aimed for. In victory, learn not to stop. Celebrate successes to avoid overreaching. Law 48. Assume forms. Don't be complacent. Only constant. So, my friends, there you have it. Use them wisely and rise to the top. If you enjoyed this, don't forget